again. Like be many of people like be on my comment sections, they asking to me please making video about this game. So guys, this is the more important of video for you because I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game meters. So this is the more interesting game now. Okay, so you will be completely watching this video because I will be helping to you and how to be complete to be 3000 meters on this game. So guys, this is the more important video for you and you will be never skipping now because I will be totally guide to you. So let's start this video. Save the pets, that's mean like be explain you something about this game and all of everything more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be request to be end of watching this video and sharing this video everywhere because this is the more important video for you because I will be helping to you about this game. So guys, I will be step on these sections and complete you something, explain you all about this game. All of games like depend on this game. This is the more important option for you because here be also to be available no x5 x3 x2 the option. But first of all, you when you will be starting this game, you will be clicking on these sections like where you will be sorry guys, x2 the options you will be checking. I will be click on the sections and to be 200 seconds and just to be little play. So starting on this game and you will be checking that's mean like I will be earns double squeeze now and I will be clicking on these sections just to be explain you something about this game and how to be complete to be this game because this is the more important video for you guys. Oh my god, it's so kind of problem. And x5 to be clicking on these sections because when you will be starting this game and first of all you will be purchasing more pets. Guys, this is the more important option for you, more pets, because if you have more pets, so that's mean you will be earns lots of coins because this game all of depend on the more pets because I want to be maximum hundreds above the more pets I will be purchasing. Then I'll be starting to be purchasing to be that meters because this is the more everything easily not to be anything hurts and expression you and you will be clicking on 5 action. So guys, you will be checking now how much I will be earns coins, so I will be more purchasing pets because this is the more important for me. And if I have more pets, so that's mean I will be earns lots of coins and then I'll be purchasing that and you will be easily to complete with this task. Now first of all you will be more pets purchasing, then if you like the maximum 80 to 50 above you will be more pets purchasing, then you will be starting your game and you will be complete to be your games complete now because many of people sometimes not to be explain you something about this game, but I will be totally guide to you and how to be complete to be these games and you will be never like be skipping x5 are the option because this is the more important for you. I am be tap on the sections to be against. Because sometimes like I'm missing to be this game, but I will be completely guide you because I will be explain you already to be this game. You